lovies! Welcome back to my channel, and today we receive a package from Olives and Company. Bago pa, fresh na fresh. So, we will unbox it kasi talagang kararating lang na in-sanitize na natin. And I would like to thank Miss Rachel Guzman for sending out this package for me. Malalaman natin kung ano ang laman niya. It's neatly packed and nicely packed with a bubble wrap, of course. And you are beautiful. Thank you so much, Miss Rachel. Olives and Company. Maraming salamat. Uy, it includes a letter, so we'll read it out loud. To Mrs. Ivy Diana Po, beautiful day. Olives and Company believes that beauty is power. Beauty doesn't only define physical appearance, hence it comes from the heart where it builds your character and molds your personality that shines naturally to help you in conquering the stage. In behalf of the Olives and Company, we would like to congratulate you in advance in making the Filipinos proud yet again. As a simple gift, we would like to give you 2 of our best sellers, Poreless Glass Skin Whitening and Rejuvenate Whitening, to help you prepare in the upcoming pageant. We believe and support you. God bless and more power. Sincerely, Rachel de Guzman of Olives and Company. Diba? Nakakatuwa. Alam mo yun, first time kong nagkaroon ng personalized letter from dear partners. I consider everyone, not just sponsors, but dear partners in this journey. Because I always believe that hindi lang po ito yung first time na makakasama sila, hindi lang po ito yung first time na makakasama natin sila sa journey na ito, but they are actually partners because of their support na binibigay sa akin as Mrs. Philippines. So maraming salamat. And thank you so much for this letter, Miss Rachel. Napaka-personalized na, at saka yung encouragement na binibigay ng sulat. Sobrang grabe po yung impact nito to boost the morale of the candidate. So maraming salamat po, Olives and Company. Alam niyo yun, hindi na tayo usual na nagbibigay ng letter na ganyan. Hindi man ito handwritten, pero personalized at signed ng nagbigay. So maraming salamat. Natuwa ako. Alam mo yun, ngayon lang ulit ako naka-receive ng letter na ganito. So maraming salamat po. Yung thank you nila, sobrang grabe. Tapos yung support, meron pang matuwa. I love it. Mahilig kasi akong sumulat. So mahilig akong umasa ng mga sulat. At saka mahilig din ako magsulat dun sa mga taong mahal ko. At saka sa mga kaibigan ko. Yan. Talagang sinusulatan ko talaga sila. Hindi lang email, hindi lang text, but really handwritten na sulat. Yun talaga ako. Normal ko po yun. Diba? So ito, i-open na natin yung padala ng screen. Sobrang supportive na ating mga partners. Kaya sobrang akong nakatutuwa dahil umaapaw po yung support ang binibigay ng ating mga partners sa aking journey na ito. I always thank God for giving me the opportunity to represent ang mga Mrs. Pacific Pageant, and at the same time for giving me these people na tumutulong sa akin sa journey na ito. Ang dami ko na kung dapat pasalamatan, and I actually owe this journey to those people na sumuporta sa akin from day 1 up to this time until sa pag-alis ko. Sobra po yung tulong na hindi lamang po financially, hindi lang po sa mga material things or mga things na pinapadala nyo, but yung pag-boost po ng moral and confidence ko ay sobra na pong tulong sa akin bilang inyong kandidata sa Mrs. Asian Pacific Pageant. So, eto na siya! Uy, we've opened it. Wow! Ang ganda! Organic skin, poreless glass skin kit. Maraming salamat po, Miss Rachel, Olives and Company. And, of course, we also have the organic skin Rejuvenate Whitening Kit. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Ganda. I have to. Maraming salamat po, Miss Rachel. And what's good with this one is organic. Organic siya. Expertly formulated product from Japan. Thank you so much. Olives and maraming salamat. And you can purchase these organic skin poreless glass skin kit and rejuvenate whitening kit from Olives and Company. Meron po silang official Instagram account wherein you can send in a message in order for you guys to order these items. Para po, you can browse through their Instagram page para po makakita nyo yung mga items available nila. Olives and Company. You can just search po sa Instagram, Olives and Company. And we will start with the rejuvenation and then afterwards we'll go with the whitening naman. So maraming salamat, Miss Rachel, for this. And I didn't expect na dalawa pa talaga. Sobrang thank you. Maraming salamat sa iyo. And thank you so much for your support. Olives and Company, maraming